Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through importing email subscriber lists into Brevo, formerly Sendinblue, using CSV files. Importing correctly is vital for effective email marketing and compliance with GDPR, CAN-SPAM, and other regulations. We will cover best practices for mapping data and managing consent, ensuring your campaigns are both successful and legally sound. First, prepare your CSV file. Export it from your CRM, Excel, or other platform. Essential columns include email addresses, first names, last names, and most importantly, a consent indicator like a subscribed column with yes or no values. Ensure your file is UTF-8 encoded for proper character support and stays under Brevo's size limits of 1 GB or 1 million rows. Begin by logging in to your Brevo account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with various options available. From the main menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to the Contacts Management section, where you can view, add, and import contact information. Within the Contacts section, locate and click on Import Contacts. This opens the Import Wizard, where you can choose how to add your subscriber list. Once in the Import tool, you'll see options to upload your CSV file directly or copy and paste contact data. The interface supports CSV, XLSX, and TXT formats for flexibility. You'll also need to choose the type of import you want to perform. Options include adding contacts to a new list, updating existing contacts with new information, or merging data carefully. Make sure to select the correct import type to avoid unintended data changes, such as overwriting existing information or creating duplicate entries. Field mapping is crucial for successful imports. This process aligns the columns in your CSV file with the contact attributes in Brevo. Brevo's AI-assisted mapping automatically detects and suggests mappings for common fields like email, first name, and last name. The AI analyzes your CSV headers and suggests connections. For example, email from your CSV maps to the email attribute in Brevo. Similarly, first name connects to first name. You can manually adjust these mappings to ensure accuracy. For instance, if your CSV has company instead of a standard field, map it to the appropriate Brevo attribute or create a custom one. Review your CSV data to confirm the mappings are correct. Use the preview feature to check how your data will appear in Brevo before finalizing the import. After mapping your fields in Brevo, the next crucial step is setting your consent rules to ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Brevo will automatically flag any contacts without proper consent, preventing you from sending unauthorized emails and helping you avoid legal penalties. You can enable double opt-in if desired, which sends confirmation emails to verify consent and reduces unsubscribe rates. Now review all your settings and preview the mapped data to confirm everything looks correct before proceeding. Once satisfied, launch the import. Brevo will process your CSV file, typically completing in under 10 minutes for files up to 1 GB. Brevo will notify you upon completion and provide a summary of the import results. Sometimes imports don't go as planned. Common issues include incorrect CSV formatting, missing consent information, or mapping errors. Incorrect CSV formatting can cause import failures. Check your file for proper headers and UTF-8 encoding. Missing consent information violates regulations. Ensure your CSV has a consent column with clear yes or no values. Mapping errors occur when fields aren't correctly matched. Use the preview to verify all mappings before importing. Double-check your CSV file for errors and ensure all required fields are correctly mapped. If issues persist, consult Brevo's Help Center for detailed troubleshooting steps and support resources. After successfully importing your subscriber list to Brevo, it's crucial to implement best practices to maximize the value of your new contacts. First, segment your newly added contacts using tags and lists. This allows you to create targeted campaigns that resonate with specific audience groups. Next, regularly monitor your campaign performance to gauge engagement levels. Track metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates to maintain list hygiene. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence will further automate and improve consent management in platforms like Brevo. This means smarter handling of opt-ins and compliance. Finally, stay updated on evolving privacy regulations such as GDPR and CAN-SPAM. This ensures your email marketing practices remain compliant and effective over time. Thank you for watching this guide on importing subscribers to Brevo. Implement these best practices to build successful, compliant email marketing campaigns.